of how much you're going to do tasbih. Say subhanallah, but you're looking around and you're saying subhanallah, subhanallah, and your heart is present. It's better to go an extra 10 tasbih and delay the next thing that you're going to do because your heart is in that tasbih. And so the best dhikr is the dhikr that coincides with the Prophet ﷺ's dhikr, that is diversified, that your heart is most present in. That's the first thing. The second thing, the best dhikr outside of Ramadan is the best dhikr inside of Ramadan. Meaning, the reward for your morning remembrance and evening remembrance in Ramadan is even greater than what it would be outside of Ramadan. The Prophet ﷺ would not pause the morning adhkar and the evening adhkar. The things he would say in the morning and the things he would say in the evening after Asr, because Ramadan came around. If anything, they are greater at that time, and that is the best time to learn the habits of those things. Okay, so to really bring them into your life and to not let go of those things. That would be like a person who focuses on praying Taraweeh and then they forget all of the other sunan. Okay, the sunan that the Prophet ﷺ would not forget to pray outside of Ramadan or inside of Ramadan. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala enable us upon them. Allahumma ameen. And the third thing, and this is something that is really powerful to pay attention to with what the Prophet ﷺ gave us of the best du'as and the best seasons. The best 10 days of the year are the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. The best 10 nights of the year are the last 10 nights of Ramadan. The best of the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah is the day of Arafah. And the best of the last 10 nights of Ramadan is Laylatul Qadr. Right? In the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah, the day of Arafah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala call us back to Arafah. Allahumma ameen. On Arafah, the Prophet ﷺ said, the best of what I and the prophets that have came before me have said, because all of the prophets observed the day of Arafah, was La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah, lahul mulk wa lahul hamd wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. Praising the oneness of Allah, declaring the oneness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who has no partner, who has dominion over all things. He has no partner, He has no equal. He is the only one worth seeking and the only one who bestows reward. And subhanAllah, that's the best dua in the day of Arafah. Some of the scholars say that that is the culmination of Hajj. Like when you're going to Hajj, everything surrounds affirming the oneness of Allah, right? Doing tawaf around the Kaaba, saying labbaik Allahumma labbaik, here I come, oh Allah, here I come. Everything surrounds this element of tawheed, this oneness of Allah. And so on the culmination of that oneness of Allah, or of the days of Hajj, you affirm in the most beautiful way the oneness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When it comes to Ramadan, the theme is what? غُفِرَ لَهُ مَا تَقَدَّمَ مِنْ ذَنْبِهِ. To be forgiven for all of the sins that you brought to Ramadan. مَنْ صَامَ رَمَضَانَ مَنْ قَامَ رَمَضَانَ مَنْ قَامَ لَيْلَةَ الْقَدْرِ. 3 ahadith. Whoever fasts Ramadan, whoever prays in the nights of Ramadan, whoever observes Laylatul Qadr will be forgiven for all of their previous sins. And Aisha radiallahu anha asked the Prophet ﷺ, if I feel like I'm in Laylatul Qadr, if Laylatul Qadr has come upon me, the night of power has come upon me, what dua should I say? And we all memorize it. Allahumma innaka afuwan tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni. Oh Allah, you are the forgiver. You love to forgive, so forgive me. Fa'fu